Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a fun and easy origami project, making a beautiful origami bird, perfect for adding a touch of charm to any space. Ready? Let's get started. First, grab a dollar bill or any rectangular piece of paper, fold it in half lengthwise, make sure the crease is sharp, it'll help with the next steps. Open it back up, and now fold the two sides in so they meet at the center crease. This will give you a nice, neat shape. Flip the paper over and fold up the bottom edge. This is going to be the base of our bird. Repeat these steps with another piece of paper. We'll need two pieces to complete our bird. Attach them together by aligning the edges. Now fold each piece to create a small square shape. Just follow the instructions on screen. It's easier than it looks. Next, fold the edges of the square to form the bird's body. Take your time here to get sharp, clean folds. Fold the top corner down to make the bird's head. You want it to be just right, not too big, not too small. Now let's work on the wings. Fold down the top edges to create the wings. Make sure they're even so your bird looks balanced. Finally, fold the bottom edge up to create the tail. Give it a good crease and voila, your origami bird is complete. Origami tip: for crisper folds, use a bone folder or the edge of a ruler. It makes all the difference in achieving those clean, professional-looking results. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun origami projects. See you next time.